Are you sitting on an innovative idea but unsure how to take it global? Are you wondering how to protect your IP while scaling your manufacturing? And are you thinking about partnerships but worried you'll end up derailing your momentum? If you're scaling a tech innovation beyond your borders, this episode's for you. Welcome to the Critical Few Actions to Improve Your Business podcast. I'm John Downs, and in this episode, I interview Jennifer Ford to hear the lessons that she's learned from creating a startup that helps Australia's largest aquaculture operators, Huon Aquaculture and Tassal, to increase their operational uptime through smarter underwater fish net repair technology. Now, we're all busy, so I'm going to give you the critical few insights in about 4 minutes so that you can figure out your critical few actions to go forward with. If it resonates, download the ebook and listen to the episode. When I work with successful business leaders, I often see them overloaded by ideas, under-resourced, and unclear where to focus. Jennifer faced the same challenge, launching an innovation in a niche market during COVID and scaling into a global business. Her path wasn't luck, it was a series of practical, evidence-based steps. I took away 3 key insights from our conversation. The first one was about building partnerships at work. She said, the difference this time was that we were preparing with the end in mind. And why this matters is because poor partnerships kill more businesses than bad products. Jennifer's success started by formalising trust with a clear shareholder agreement, IP protections, and a shared vision. So what can you do? Well, draft a shareholders agreement that includes the exit terms. Do this before you're in conflict. Define the roles early, especially the founder teams. Let people play to their strengths, not just fill in the available gaps. The second insight is about innovation that stays close to customers. One customer in particular was pivotal for us to get to commercialisation, she said. And why does that matter? Well, too many businesses overdevelop before market testing. Jennifer's team co-developed with users, fast-tracking commercial readiness and winning their trust. So the actions that you can take here is to involve your customers early. Let them test your minimum viable product and give unfiltered feedback. It'll be invaluable. Create structured feedback loops during R&D. Use this to prioritise features, not assumptions. And the third insight's about funding innovation with strategic support. We had a 100% success rate with the grants that we applied for once we brought in the experts. And so why does this matter? Well, self-funding innovation slows progress. Jennifer's team used grant-writing consultants to unlock commercialisation funding, tax incentives, and state government support. So what can you do? Well, engage a specialist grants advisor with sector experience. They'll know which funds are realistic. Apply for the R&D tax incentive early. It can recoup up to 43.5% of eligible tax costs in Australia. There was so much more in our chat, but as Jennifer said, you've got to get the thing in the water, get it working, and then it grows from there. So if you're interested in doing this, then download the ebook for resources and references because in 4 minutes, I've only scraped the surface. Now, think about your critical few actions. Is it to apply this to breaking into global markets faster? Or will you continue to burn time and money developing solutions that no one ever sees and maybe never buys? Enjoy.